Hi everyone, excited about this. I want to share with everyone all the seeds we got for under $100. Organic seeds that would last a few years. I would say about 2-3 years, maybe 4 years, if you depend on how much you're planting. So here I have my bird repellers. They're little shimmery reflectors, help to scare the little birds away when you're planting your little seeds. Thought those was pretty clever. They cost me only $3 for I would say like about 8 of them. So I'll plant those with my seed. I have my seed box and it has a little nice straw, and I have some seeds in there already with some zip ties for some of my projects with my potato towers. And then they have the little compartments. I'll show you how they look when I put my seeds in the compartments. And they even had little wire cutters for when I do my towers. You can see that in one of our other videos when we do our potato towers. And I got my Project Source gloves. These are handy for when it comes to gardening. And they were like a 5-pack for only $4.99. Here are our seeds. Lots and lots of seeds from pumpkin, cucumber, peppers, squash, Swiss chard, radish, tomatoes, broccoli, and it goes on and on and on. And even a little surprise one that snuck in there, which my 3-year-old got. Some flowers, zinnias. So I'll show you how everything looks once I put it in my nice handy dandy. I got this actually from Goodwill. And it's sturdy, it's wood, and it's nice, a lot of compartments. So I'll show you guys in a second. So this is all my seeds in a row, and I have it all lined up so I can easily see what I'm getting. And a little surprise flower one, and squash, and everything is nice and in order, so it can make things easier when I'm going and planting. And so I just put my wire cutters in my little drawer, and my pair of gloves, and my bird repellers into the compartment as well. All organized and ready for planting. Hope you all enjoyed my little haul, and like I said before, I got all of this under $100, and these seeds will last a few years, even 4 years, depending on how much you plant. If you have a big garden, maybe 2 years, but we've gotten seeds like this before, and this lasts us years. So happy gardening, and stay tuned for more gardening tips.